In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring payments using PayPal's subscription payment system. This process will enable you to automate your billing and manage subscriptions efficiently. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to visit the PayPal homepage. This is where it all begins. Once there, look for the login option, which should be prominently displayed on the top right of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Remember, keeping these credentials secure is crucial for your online safety. After entering your details, click the login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Business Tools section. This is where PayPal provides various options tailored for business needs. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section if you're handling business transactions frequently. Within Business Tools, you'll find the Subscriptions option. Click on this to proceed. Next up, you'll notice a Get Started button. Clicking this will guide you through setting up your subscription service. The next step is to create a plan by clicking on Create Plan. This is where you'll define the specifics of what you're offering. Enter the details of your product or service. These details should include the name, a brief description, a unique product ID, and the type of product, whether it's a physical good, a digital good, or something else. Clear and precise details here will help in managing and identifying your subscriptions. With this setup, you now have to decide on the payment schedule. You can set up either fixed or variable amount subscriptions based on your business model. Think about how often you want to bill your customers, monthly, quarterly, or perhaps annually, and select the option that best fits your needs. Once you've configured these settings, you'll reach the point where you can either save your work as a draft or make it live by selecting Turn Plan On. Saving as a draft is a good idea if you want to review or make changes later. However, if everything looks good, turning the plan on will activate the subscription. Finally, to integrate your subscription plan with your website or business system, PayPal provides guides on how to seamlessly connect it to your existing setup. This can often involve using APIs or embedding buttons in your site. After the integration, you'll have the option to manage your subscriptions directly from your PayPal dashboard, allowing you to keep track of all your subscription services efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up recurring payments using PayPal, ensuring a smooth experience for both you and your customers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.